Hi, in this video we will be looking at setting iOS supervised mode and also enrolling iOS devices into Miradore Online using a USB cable, an Apple Mac computer and Apple Configurator 2. As mentioned, you will need a Mac and the app Apple Configurator 2, which you can download for free from the Mac App Store. Once you've downloaded and started the application, it will look something like this. On the right hand side, you can see the iPhone that I'm using for this example. So we're going through the two processes, and the two processes are completely separate. You can do one or the other, or you can do both. That's entirely up to you. And first off, we will look into setting supervised mode on this iPhone. So if when I connect my iPhone to this Mac, you'll see that I probably will get this. Do you want to trust this computer? I will need to trust it, otherwise it won't work. And once the phone is available in Apple Configurator, I can click it, and I can use this prepare button up top here. I will choose to prepare with a manual configuration, make sure that supervised devices is checked, and we recommend also you allowing devices to pair with other computers, unless you have a good reason not to. Click Next. On this step, leave it on Do Not Enroll in MDM. We do not support this kind of enrollment, so just click Next. On this step, it's for the device enrollment program, so we skip this. And we need to set up an organization. I'll just type in something here and click Next. I'll generate a new supervision identity, unless you've already done this and then have one. Click Next. And then this is the setup steps. When you start a new iPhone, it will ask you all of these questions. It will ask you for the language, the region, the keyboard, and so on. And you can either set this to show only a few of these steps, show all, or don't show any of them. And click Prepare. The computer will now ask for my administrating password, so I'll just type in that. It's on another screen. And it will start preparing the device and warn me that the device will be erased. And there's no way around this. So I'll click Erase. Now I will lose connection with the screen sharing of this device. But the process is pretty much done. As soon as the device has booted up, it will be in supervised mode, and you can proceed with enrolling the device, whichever method you wish. I'll cut now, and I'll come back once the device is up and running again. Okay, so the device is up and running again, and as you can see here at the top of settings, this iPhone is now supervised and managed by the organization that I set up in Apple Configurator earlier. But the device is still not enrolled into Miradore Online. So at this point, it's supervised, you have access to all the features, but you need to enroll it to be able to use all of these features. And you could do that the regular way by using the enrollment credentials and so on. But since we're already hooked up to a Mac and have Apple Configurator, there's an easier way to enroll the device using that. So let's jump over to Miradore Online. And on the left hand side, I'll choose Infrastructure Diagram. On iOS devices here, I'll hover over the icon and click Export MDM Profile. I'll start a download of a mobile config. I'll save that file. So I'll go back to Apple Configurator. If I have a single device, I can right-click the device and click Add Profiles. If I have several devices connected to the Mac at once, I could select them here and then use the menu on top here, Actions, Add Profiles. I'll find the profile that I downloaded, click Add, and this will now push the MDM profile to the device. Note that if the device has not been put into supervised mode, you will get a prompt on the device whether you want to install this profile or not, but since the device is supervised, it should just install silently. And there we go. If we go into settings here, general, we will now see on device management that we have the Miradore mobile device management installed on this device, and is now manageable within this instance of Miradore Online. Keep in mind, however, that if you wipe the device, you will lose both supervised mode and the management, so you will have to go through the process again. If you want to keep the management and the supervised mode after reset, you will have to look into Apple DEP, which we have other videos on. That was all I had for you today. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate with getting in touch with us. Thank you. Goodbye.